Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your voice directly in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're adding a voiceover or recording narration, this method is quick and easy. First, go to the Fairlight tab. This is the audio editing section of Davinci Resolve. Make sure your microphone is plugged in and working. Next, set up your audio track. At the bottom, find the audio track labeled A1 or create a new one by right-clicking and selecting Add Track, Mono or Stereo, depending on your microphone setup. Now enable recording. Click the Arm for Record button on the track header. It looks like a small R. This tells DaVinci Resolve which track to record on. Then, go to the Mixer panel on the right, finding your ARM track and select your microphone from the Input drop-down menu. Start recording. Click the red Record button on the toolbar and start speaking. When you're done, press Stop. Your recorded audio will appear directly in the timeline ready for editing. And that's it! You've successfully recorded your voice in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.